guys, it's me and I'm back, and today I'm gonna do one of the very first requested videos that I got in this channel, which hasn't been that long, but this was the very first request that I ever got. I do not remember who requested it, but if I do, I'll put a screenshot somewhere right here in one of these corners. But they really wanted to see how I do my eyeliner, and I haven't done eyeliner in such a long time, and the reason being is because I ran out of eyeliner and I didn't want to just buy one. I didn't just want to buy a random one. I wanted to buy one that I really liked, or that seemed really good, because it's a lot of money, especially if you're not going to use it. It's a waste. So I looked at a lot of YouTuber reviews to see which would be the best eyeliners, and I seen Tati's videos on, I think she put, it's called Best Drugstore Eyeliners, and pretty much I watched through the whole video and she said this was a really good one. It's by a Korean brand. I'm really well known with them. It's Etude house. They have really good makeup, and a lot of the makeup they have is really good for your skin. So this is what the eyeliner looks like. I actually got two, and I think there's more colors. There's blue, brown, and I'm not sure. I didn't look too much at all the colors they had because I just wanted black eyeliner. But this is what they look like. They're really pretty big. They didn't come in a package. So if you guys want to see how I do my eyeliner, then just pretty much keep on watching. There is a lot of different types of eyeliners. This one right here looks like this. It's the felt tip. No, it's not the felt tip. It's like the little brush. Like, do you guys know what I'm talking about? Those with the little brush, like the little hairs. So this is the kind of, or is it a felt tip? No, it's definitely the brush. Videos like this are always the hardest to make because I really have no idea where to put my mirror and where to set everything up. It's just a little bit more complicated, so I'm just trying to put my mirror in the right place so I could see a little bit. But if not, I got a backup mirror so I could get a little bit more help. Let me just clean it because I can't see anything in it. So let's get started. People always say to line the first line with the top of your eyebrow, but I always feel like that never works, and it never worked for me. So most of the time I kind of just wing it. I feel like you gotta practice a lot to really get the eyeliner the way you want it to, and I feel like you also gotta try a lot of shapes. So there is a lot of styles of eyeliner, and honestly I do not know which one fits your face the best. My best option that I have for you and what I recommend is just try a different style every day, and eventually you'll see the one that looks the best on your face. It took me like 2 years to really see what style looked best on my eye shape, and now that I finally got it, it's so easy for me to remember like where my line goes, like what way it's pointing, how high down, la 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 la. Okay, so the first step, just draw your first line, and I'm sorry if I'm not talking when I'm doing this, it's just really hard, but draw your first line going upwards. And I usually do mine like that. If you have a completely different eye shape than me, then it's totally fine. You could obviously do your line a little bit more down or a little bit more up. It just depends on your liking. So now that you have that line, what I always like to do is start, like I always go all over the place, but it works out at the end. So now what you're going to do is you're going to start tight lining the front of your eye. I'm going to get closer because I feel like you guys can't see anything. Okay, so you start tight lining your eyes like that. And don't be afraid to mess it up. You could always redo it. It's not like it's permanent. What you pretty much do, you're going to make a triangle right here. Right about here. You're just going to connect from where I like to connect it, because everybody always connects it from over here. No, I always like to start from the middle of my eye. But like I said, it's also because of the way the shape of my eye is. The way the shape of my eye is. The way the shape of my eye. Am I the one that's confused? Okay, whatever. So from the middle of your eye, you're pretty much going to connect it to over here. So like that. So now what you're gonna do is just get a little bit more eyeliner and just start start filling all those, I swear to God I can never tell. But just pretty much start filling all the inside in. Do it little by little, don't try to rush it or you're gonna fuck it up. So far I got this. I know it looks kind of crazy right now, but I'm gonna fix it. Okay, so you see right here, I really hate how that looks. I feel like eyeliner looks weird if you leave it like that. So I always take a little bit more of eyeliner and try to fix it. Okay, so in case you do fuck up, which I did, because I'm using this tiny ass mirror to try to see, but whatever, in case you do mess up, just get a little makeup wipe or a little damp towel, and I'm going to show you guys how to fix the problem. So what you're going to do, can't open it. What the hell? Okay, so what you're going to do is put your finger in the towel, makeup wipey, whatever, and mine's already dirty because I've been using it to fix my lipstick and stuff. But you're gonna put your finger in here. You see how that looks? It looks kind of funny, but just trust me. You put your finger in here, and you just drag it across the bottom to clean that line up. Do you guys see that? In case it happens to the top two, well, in case you mess up the top two, you do the same thing. You just gotta be a little bit more careful, especially if you got eyeshadow at the top already. So I already messed. My favorite eyeliner used to be the one by Tarte. It's called the Tarte's Pro Matte Liquid Liner, I believe, and it's more of a gel. You kind of press it out of the tube, but the packaging was really, really horrible. It would always make my eyeliner go dry for some reason. The eyeliner itself was very, very, very good. It lasted me all day. It didn't come off, and it dried very, very, very matte. But the reason I didn't like it was because of the packaging. The packaging just ruined the entire thing because it just made the whole thing go dry, even though I had just bought it. So that's why with my eyeliner right now, I just didn't get another one until I found one that I thought would be really, really good, or that would be nice for me, or that I would like. And so far, I really, really like this one. What I will say though is that it dries a little bit shiny, and I hate that about eyeliners. I want them to be all 100% matte. And I thought this one was, but for some reason it is not drying all the way matte. You could see a little bit shine in it. It's not too much, not too noticeable, but you could still see a little bit of shine in there, which I don't mind, I guess, but I would prefer it if it didn't have that. What I will say though is it's very, very pigmented, and it's very, very easy to work with. But like I said, I don't know if you guys could see, but it does just, it has a little bit of a shine, but it's nothing too crazy. You could work with it really nice, and if you mess up, you could just redo it again. There's some eyeliners that will just not come off. You mess up and you try to take that, even with the makeup wipe, it will not come off. I had that problem with the NYX gel liners, the black one. If I had a problem or if I messed up and I tried to take it off, it wouldn't come off. I would have to scrub that thing off, and it would get my hair really, really irritated. So overall, I feel like this is a really, really good eyeliner. Sadly, I got two of them, and I thought they were matte. They're a little bit shiny. I'm probably just going to use them up because the consistency and the quality is really, really nice. I just don't like how they're a little bit shiny, not too much, but well. This is a Korean brand. It's called Etude House. Their cosmetics are not that expensive. They're pretty affordable. And I heard they have a lot of really, really, really good makeup. So you guys should really for sure check them out. I'm probably going to check them out because I heard they have a lot of skincare products. I've seen this, what is it called? I seen this mascara that is like a eyelash treatment. It's for your eyelashes, and it pretty much helps them grow and strengthens them. And I wear eyelashes almost every day, so my eyelashes are very, very brittle. So I was planning on getting that and seeing if it would make any difference to my poor little eyelashes. If that does end up happening, then I'm probably gonna make a video. Well, if you guys want me to make a video. So I really hope you guys like this tutorial slash review. I know it wasn't that long, but I mean, it's just eyeliner. It shouldn't take you that much, and if it does, you're probably still learning, so it's alright. No judging, no judging. I know it's not that long, but I just didn't want to drag it out more than it really should be dragged. My eyeliner doesn't take me that long to do. Personally, I know it takes a lot longer for girls that are barely learning, but if this video helped you in any way, I'm really glad. And if you guys want, like and subscribe or not, and I'll see you guys next time.